In this video, we're going to be doing some real simple kidney beans in the Instant Pot. I am doing unsoaked kidney beans because the Instant Pot makes that so easy and simple. I never need to remember to soak my beans overnight anymore. I'm going to be using my 6-quart Duo Nova Instant Pot, and I'm going to be cooking 1 pound of kidney beans that I have already rinsed. I'm going to add my 1 pound of rinsed kidney beans to my inner pot, and then add 8 cups of water. I use a lot of water when I cook kidney beans because it's really important that the beans stay under the level of the liquid the entire time they're cooking. If you open up your pot and there are beans sitting above the liquid, oftentimes they will be crunchy. So you can always drain excess liquid at the end. So to be on the safe side, just add more liquid than you might think you need. Now at this point, you can either add salt or not. Some people really prefer to salt after cooking. I usually tend to salt before cooking. So I'm going to add some in, maybe like 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons. Now I'm going to lock my lid. On this model, it automatically seals for me, but if you have a different model, you might need to turn it to the sealing position. The cook time I use for kidney beans that are unsoaked is 25 to 30 minutes. And if I'm going to be just cooking them and then using them in a salad or something right away, I'll cook them for the 30 minutes. If I'm going to be putting them into a chili or a soup where they're going to be cooking more, then I will cook them for just 25 minutes. For these ones, I'm going to go ahead and cook them for the full 30 minutes. I'm going to hit pressure cook. Make sure that the pressure level is on high. If you find that the pressure level is on low, just hit the pressure level button until you get to high. Don't worry about the normal. That means nothing because we're going to adjust the time. That refers to timing, but we're going to adjust the time ourselves right here and go up to the 30 minutes. And it'll start automatically. I did want to mention you could hit bean chili instead of pressure cook. It cooks exactly the same, so there's really no good reason to do that. I tend to just use pressure cook whenever I cook something, but if you want to have fun and hit the chili bean button, go right for it. So the Instant Pot is heating up, and it'll take a little while to come up to pressure because it's pretty full of water. It'll come up to pressure, start counting down the time, and then I'm gonna leave it for probably 15 minutes before I quick release the pressure because beans can foam and you don't want to quick release the pressure too soon or else it can spray out the top. Cook time finished and the pressure has been releasing for 16 minutes now, and there's a little bit of pressure left, so I'm going to quick release that and get the pot open. This model has a quick release button, so I'm just going to press that down and it'll release the rest of the pressure. And that is all there is to cooking kidney beans in the Instant Pot. At this point, you can drain off the excess liquid or keep it depending on your recipe, but these beans are ready to go.